Hello, kids! Today we will learn animals and their babies' names. So, let's start! This is a dog. A baby dog is called a puppy.
Puppy.
This is a cat. A baby cat is called a kitten.
Puppy.
This is a cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Cow. This is a horse. A baby horse is called a foal. A baby horse is called. This is a goat. A baby goat is called a kid. A baby goat is called. This is a sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby sheep is called. This is a lion. A baby lion is called a cub. This is a tiger. A baby tiger is called a cub. This is an elephant. A baby elephant is called a calf. This is a rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kit. This is a rare. A baby bear is called a cub. This is a pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. This is a deer. A baby deer is called a fawn. This is a duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. This is a hen. A baby hen is called a duck chick. This is an eagle. A baby eagle is called an eaglet.
Eagle, eaglet.
This is a frog. A baby frog is called a tadpole.
Eagle, eaglet.
This is a penguin. A baby penguin is called a chick.
Eagle, eaglet.
This is a kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey.
Eagle, eaglet.